Good morning, students. This is Mr. V. First of all, I want to thank you for joining this course. This course is the Google Slides Mastery. This course will take you through the steps on learning how to use the Google Slides in a general classroom for yourself, for a job, or for any assignments. All right, so let's jump right into it. Uh, the class will be divided into modules. The modules first will be, module one will be the basic of Google Slides and formatting and then enhancing your slides. Before you do each of the other modules, there is a prerequisite, meaning you have to complete this one here first. So the first one is going to be, first module or the first assignment will be selecting in your slides. All right, well, we're going to do that today. So how do you select the theme? Well, first you have to know how to access Google Slides. So you just go slides.google.com. Okay, now that you're here, you're gonna press the blank um, slide, and then you are here. Okay, so first it's gonna give you this menu here, as you can see, right? So you can either close it or you can actually use it now, but here's the first thing you want to do, themes. So that's the blank one that we have. If you choose that one, then you have that. Okay, so you can choose a theme here. The theme is like the general format that the slides are going to have based on what you pick. So we're just gonna pick a random one. We will pick, a lot of students like this one, a lot of teachers like this one. But I'm gonna just pick something I like. So we'll pick this one here. And notice here, when you wanna change the layout, and this is for next lesson, but if you click here on layout, that will be just the title, and then these are the other ones, how they're gonna look. So if you're like debating on which theme to pick, just look at that and look at the layout to see what other options you have in terms of how they look like. So look at the layout there. If you decide to choose this one here with the green color, and then layout here. All right, but you can always come and change your theme as well. All right, that was it for this tutorial. That's just how you change the theme. Pick anything that you like, and then look at the layout to make sure that you are comfortable. I'm gonna go with this one here. Let's go shift, and that is it.